What if someone is watching your every move online? Every website you visit, every message you send, and every file you download is being monitored and recorded. This might sound like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but it's a harsh reality for many internet users. Learn how VPNs create a secret tunnel to keep your internet activity private. When you connect to the internet, your device sends and receives data to and from websites, servers, and other online services. This data is transmitted over a network of interconnected devices, including your internet service provider's servers, routers, and switches. The problem is that this data is often transmitted in plain text, making it easily accessible to anyone who can intercept it. This is where the risk of surveillance, hacking, and data theft comes in. Your internet service provider, government agencies, and even hackers can potentially monitor and record your online activity, compromising your privacy and security. So, how do VPNs solve this problem? A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure and encrypted connection between your device and a VPN server. This connection is often referred to as a tunnel because it encapsulates your internet traffic, protecting it from interception and eavesdropping. When you connect to a VPN, your device establishes a secure connection with the VPN server.